Pico switched YAG laser machine, advanced skin rejuvenation and pigment removal. (532 nanometers laser head targets superficial pigments like freckles, sunspots, and red tattoos, ideal for lighter skin tones. 1064 nanometers laser head penetrates deeper layers to treat melasma, dark tattoos, and deep pigmentation, suitable for all skin tones. Black doll head paired with carbon gel for carbon laser peeling, cleanses pores, reduces oil, shrinks pores, and brightens skin. Your perfect solution for skin rejuvenation, pigmentation removal, and more. Contact us today to elevate your med spa services.